Did you know? Some ships don't get a second life by accident. They earn it. What you're seeing was once a vessel valued at around $38 million. Not a luxury yacht, not a floating palace. A working ocean ship, built for endurance, not comfort. Years ago, one failure sent it to the ocean floor. Down there, time destroys everything. Salt eats steel. Pressure bends metal. Silence finishes the rest. The hull cracked. The structure weakened. Eventually, the ship split in half. Most wrecks like this are abandoned forever. Too expensive, too risky. But 4 engineers saw something different. The recovery begins above the ocean. Heavy helicopters hold position in the wind as steel cables drop into dark water. Every move is slow. One mistake could destroy the ship completely. Gradually, the wreck rises. Water pours from the hull. Rust falls back into the sea. For the first time in years, sunlight touches the ship again. On the dock, the damage is clear. Corrosion has eaten through critical sections. Some steel collapses when touched. This isn't cosmetic restoration. It's structural reconstruction. The same 4 men inspect every meter, marking what can be saved and what must be removed. Cutting torches ignite. Damaged steel is stripped away. The ship is reduced to its bare frame. Then rebuilding begins. New reinforced steel arrives, stronger than the original. Every beam is measured, lifted together, and welded precisely. No one works alone. Some parts weigh tons. A modern engine replaces the ruined original. New systems follow. Pipes, wiring, controls. Nothing is rushed. Everything is tested. Then comes the critical moment. The two halves are brought together. Millimeters matter. Steel glows as the final weld seals the seam. The ship becomes whole again. Protective coatings are applied. Anti-corrosion layers seal the hull. By the end, the vessel's value rises to about $52 million. Not because it's beautiful, but because it's reliable, modernized, and ready for the ocean. The dock fills with water. The ship floats again. Engines start. Instruments light up. The propeller turns smoothly. The 4 men stand quietly. No celebration, just proof that skill, patience, and teamwork can bring even a wreck back from the ocean.
Waiting to Cusco.